Yo, 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 what's up, Diamond family? It's your man, Vivi, and welcome back to the VBS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really cool video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how good singers use auto-tune. So there's this misconception going around that if you can sing for real, you don't need to use auto-tune, and that's a big lie. Everybody should be using auto-tune. Everybody should be correcting their vocals because it's just how music sounds right now. And so if you're not using auto-tune, you're not correcting your vocals, it's gonna sound off. It's not gonna sound professional simply because you're not using the tools that everyone else is using. So I'm gonna be showing you how, as a great vocalist, you can still get the most out of auto-tune. All right, so I won't really overtalk it. Let's jump right into it. But look, if you're still struggling to get your vocals to sit inside of the beat and balance themselves out perfectly every single time, check out my free course down below, man. It's going to change the game for you, teach you to balance out your vocals and your beat perfectly every single time. All right, it's going to take you about 15 minutes. It's completely free, so check out that course. All right, now let's jump into the track.
Y suave lento, lento, son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento. Y cuando sube bien la pista estoy bajando y vos pegado a mi cuerpecito suelto, suelto.
So as you can hear, the vocal already sounds good. Like, she can sing, she can hear, her ear is good, her pitch is good, her tone is good, but something just sounds a little bit off. It's not quite right? It's got to be the tune. So let's go ahead and grab some tune here. And I believe I already know the key is F sharp major. We'll verify that right now. Let's listen.
Y suave lento, lento, son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento. Y cuando sube bien la pista estoy bajando y vos pegado a mi cuerpecito suelto, suelto.
And so when I'm working with an artist that actually can sing, that have like a really good voice, like not on any kind of rap thing, like rapper tune, we can just max it out most of the time and it's good to go. When you're working with a singer, you got to finesse it a little bit more. That's why oftentimes I use waves tune for singers, because you just get a lot more control, specifically over the notes and making custom scales, as well as note transition, vibrato, and speed. So let's see how natural we can make this vocal sound without taking the tune off completely, because we want it to sound natural. We don't want it to sound like it sounds right now. So let's see how we can dial it back. First thing I'll do is bring the speed back. Let's try 20 and we'll work lower from there. And let's just double click and press 20 instead.
Lento, lento, son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento.
And as you can hear, 20 still sounds like a whole lot of auto-tune, right? It's still doing a lot of movement, and that's because of this note transition right here. So what I'm actually going to do is reverse it. I'm going to bring the speed down to 0, and I'm going to bring the note transition up to 20, and watch the difference.
Y suave lento, lento, son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento. Y cuando sube bien la pista estoy bajando y vos pegado a mi cuerpecito suelto, suelto.
And as you can hear, it's starting to sound a lot more natural. Now the problem is it sounds a little too loose. It sounds like it's not being controlled quite enough. So let's bring the speed up slightly. Let's go to maybe 5 to 7. Let's try 7.
Y suave lento, lento, son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento. Y cuando sube bien la pista estoy bajando y vos pegado a mi cuerpecito suelto, suelto. Por más que miren nadie toca, solo vos me tienes loca con tus sexy movimientos. Me calienta todo el cuerpo, yeah.
So I still think it's a little bit too much tune, but I like the speed where it is. I'm actually going to back the speed up to 10 instead, and I'm going to back up the note transition, maybe 5 more. So we'll go 25 on the note transition.
Y suave lento, lento, son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento. Y cuando sube bien la pista estoy bajando y vos pegado a mi cuerpecito suelto, suelto. Por más que miren nadie toca, solo vos me tienes loca con tus sexy movimientos. Me calienta todo el cuerpo, yeah.
So let's listen to the before and after. I'm going to take the tune off and let you hear the vocal raw, and then immediately I'll play it back with the tune on so you can kind of get a feeling for what we're actually doing and how subtle the change is. So let's go no tune first.
y suave lento, lento. Son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento. Y cuando sube bien la pista estoy bajando y voy pegado a mi cuerpecito suelto, suelto. Y suave lento, lento. Son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento. Y cuando sube bien la pista estoy bajando y voy pegado a mi cuerpecito suelto, suelto.
And just like that, man, that subtle change is the difference in sounding like a pro and sounding like an amateur. Look, man, these are the tips I'm giving you guys week in and week out. And if you need a little bit more help, just drop me a line down below. Remember, my name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Y suave lento, lento. Son tus caricias que dominan cada vez que tú te activas bailando ese perrito lento. Y cuando sube bien la pista estoy bajando y voy pegado a mi cuerpecito suelto, suelto.